Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe after watching this. So for today's video, I am featuring another palette of ColourPop, which is somehow newly released one. And it's... So this is the Aha Honey of ColourPop, which is full of sunshine shades of yellow. So this is a pressed powder, like the Ulala palette that I featured on my last video. If you haven't watched that, just go and click on my videos and watch it, guys. So yeah, bright colors of yellow. That's why I've created this type of look, which is more like what I think is a summery vibes type of look. So right now it's summer here and I'm actually wearing yellow as well, so I'm all yellow, guys. This is the cover, this is the packaging itself. It's so cute, like the Ulala palette. It's so handy like that. And again, guys, there's more colors in ColourPop if you wanted to try their blue ones or their purple ones, so just go ahead and check their website. So at the back of it, you could see the names of the 9 shades. If you're up with yellow shades and you're obsessed like me with like different shades of yellow, this is a very gorgeous palette for you guys. So these are the shades of this gorgeous palette. So adorable. So it's like 5 mattes and 3 metallics and 1 pressed glitter. As you've noticed, guys, there's only 1 glittery shade in there, so that one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the swatches of this full of sunshine palette. First up, we have here Stinger. So Stinger is a matte buttery yellow. There. Next is this, the Sunburst. The Sunburst is a metallic lemon yellow with a blue glitter. So this is the Sunburst. There, so very glittery. Next up, we have here the Sweet Spot. So it's like a bright yellow, but we'll see if it's really a bright one. So next one is the Dandy. The names of it are really cute. So I've used Dandy on my lid and it's very intense, guys. It's very pigmented. Dandy is a metallic yellow gold shade. And next up, we have here Palooza. Palooza is the only pressed glitter in this pan. So I just have to like do this very carefully because it's very messy, guys. So Palooza is bright yellow with copper duochrome. Next one is the Queen Bee. Queen Bee, so cute. A metallic dandelion. So very metallic siya, guys. Queen Bee, there you go. It's like golden metallic shade. Total Buggin. So this one is a matte butterscotch yellow shade. So let's just go and put it here. It's like Behave. It's O-B and then haves. Have. Behave. Like Behave. Behave. It's a matte mustard. I love mustard. Especially when you put it in your hot dog. And lastly, we got Buzzkill. Buzzkill is like a dark brown shade, but somehow there's yellow shade in it as well. So it's a matte yellow brown. There, matte yellow brown. And let's just put it here. So these are the swatches of this amazing palette. So guys, if you want to avail this and try this full of sunshine palette, just go and visit their website, ColourPop.com, www.colourpop.com, and then you're gonna go and see all their pressed powders in there. There's lots of it and it only costs you $12 for each. It's very affordable, guys, so just go ahead and check that out. So if you want to see how I've created this look, summery vibes, bright makeup look, just keep on watching. end of this video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed watching me. And thank you so much again for supporting me. So if you still wanted to connect with me, just go and follow me on all my social media accounts, my Facebook page, and my Instagram page. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment below your favorite shade on that wonderful palette. If you don't want to miss all my future videos, don't forget to click that bell button in there, bell button, and continue to subscribe onto my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Kisses.